Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and I wanted to give you another quick update. About a month ago, we did kind of a state of the company notification on how we were changing doing business, and one of the big things that we did is we brought our manufacturing in-house. We didn't know exactly how much that was going to save us. We knew that it was going to be substantial. But yesterday morning, we actually got all of our numbers in, and we were more than pleased. It actually rolled back our manufacturing cost a lot. So in that process, we were able to get our wholesale pricing model back up to where we were making wholesale profits, which has always been our model, to sell factory direct wholesale. But on top of that, the savings were substantial enough that we're going to do a price rollback, which is probably not something that many people are doing in this business environment. And we're going to roll the big roaster back below our last price that we had before we raised it the last time, and we're rolling the mini price back to what it was previously. And to celebrate the success of our manufacturing operation in-house, we're going to reinstate free shipping and also shipping credits on our international orders. So anyway, that was it. Just wanted to do a quick update, let you guys know what was going on, and happy roasting.